here's the truth about Bushman.
Me bump me to and fall over and them think it's all over, but me get up and me just start to over.
He's a great artist with a bad character.
Believe my friend, me have no fat, them let me down.
And he cannot be trusted.
Do a lot of things and try to get me down. Only King Tafara keep me safe and sound. Could I never take me for clowns?
Run piece of new tune there.
Selector play the song yan, the song yan, the song yan, the song yan, the song there. The song there.
Song there.
Song yan, the song yan, the song yan, the song yan, the song there.
Yeah.
The song there.
Every youth is a star, the sky it a the limit. Don't show me not the dark, the light turn off it limit. Me attack from the heart so clearly and vivid. Talking to the youth, them on this one is necessary.
The song there.
This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth.
You're in the mix with DJ Slick.
Anything.
Talking to the youth, them on this one is
serious.
Love the youth and know the truth and don't hurt nobody.
Yes, people, this is I, Major Mackerel. When you want the real, number one, real authentic original dub plate, just link Slick 44. Who me say you feel link? Slick 44. That one you real. Nibby bam.
So greetings, my loyal viewers and subscribers. At topic. So viewers and subscribers, I've come across this video with Chin. It seems as if that Bushman have sent Chin a voice note. You know, everybody in Jamaica who know Bushman know he's a man when him attack, him no hold back for nothing. Once Bushman feels him not get the justice that he should have been getting, him a go just tell you him mind. And when Bushman attack, Bushman is a man when not pretty up nothing. So it seems as if Bushman tell Chin.
People acting a jump and it forget noise and a pussy in a reggae. I go like when I saw my man them a hold on from people's shirt, you know. Great bumbo clad people, you know. And I then think I make me get bashing a car and I start my mind on a pussy in a reggae. Go on the figure.
So that's the message I got from Bushman.
Viewers and subscribers, Chin was not having it. So Chin tell Bushman what to do. So it's like it two of them have a dispute. But my loyal viewers and subscribers, want you listen what I go on and look what I go on. Cause Chin now all about nothing and Bushman did not.
Take a listen to this, guys.
Yo, you see, I want to this and I look at dread. And when I reach out to you, I'm noticing I answer my phone call. I'm tell one of your affiliates or work with you, you know. So I reach out to you, I'm send my manager to you, you know, but soon I work on this. And when people have hype around them and I want to feel like people acting a jump and it forget noise and a pussy in a reggae. I go like when I saw my man them a hold on from people's shirt, you know. Great bumbo clad people, you know. And I then think I make me get bashing a car and I start my mind on a pussy in a reggae. Go on the figure.
So that's the message I got from Bushman. Now, I sent him back an apology just to have it noted, make him know, say, you know, this is what really happened. But like, oh, that's how you feel about me. Just don't call back my phone. We good. There's no friendship lost there. Here's the truth about Bushman. He's a great artist with a bad character. And he cannot be trusted. Right? When you see artists that have a voice like people like Bushman, right? That is supposed to be, you know, way bigger than they are. Don't look at it as the industry is fighting them all the time. Right? You have to look at it as the individual. Right? Bushman is not a good person.
There's nothing in a life not come easy. But if things in my life would don't please me, I change the ones that can change and the ones I can't change. Gonna sleep and take it off of my brains.
Right? Think about it. This is not just me saying this. Just look at it.
Right. Gotcha.
Bushman has been in our studio more than once. We have helped him publicize his work more than once. Each time he came for help from Soundchat Radio, he wasn't hype. Bushman hasn't been hyped for years. So the fact that I'm even giving him an interview is me helping him. But I'm still a devil in music. And I still only cling to people because they're hype. I mean, me, of all people. You know, for somebody like Bushman to attack my credibility and what I've put into the industry, I have to ask myself, where's Bushman's legacy? Who has he helped? What dent has he made? Will he be in the books when the books are written? These are questions that you ask. And you know, what I'm trying to say is that I will not allow people whose contributions are minimized to attack my integrity of what I stand for and what I've done in the industry. Me not depend on something there. So when you look at somebody like Bushman, right, and you look at, you know, I don't see other artists endorsing Bushman. I don't hear younger artists saying that Bushman helped them with their career. I don't see any of his peers.
So my live viewers and subscribers, leave a comment down below. Do you think Bushman need to apologize to Chin? And leave a comment down below if you think Bushman will be amongst the greatest of all the greatest in history.
Whatever things in my life would don't please me. I change the ones I can change and the ones I can't change.
Talking to the youth, them and this one is necessary. I love the youth and know the truth and don't hurt nobody. Make no problem with them and them don't that's how we murder somebody. And then talking to the youth, them and this one is necessary. Know the truth and don't hurt nobody. Make no problem with them and them don't in no lobby. But that's how we murder somebody.
Talking to the youth, them and this one is necessary. Tell up the youth, we know the truth and don't hurt nobody.
Yes, yeah, so Brandon Darksyde, tell the fans them out there. How long have you been doing music?
Well, we are doing music from ever since, you know.
Them set till the silence and me I go say it. Every youth is a star, the sky it a the limit. No show me not the dark, the light turn off it, limit me attack.
So what's your first song you ever recorded?
Well, my first song I ever record is a song that says Shabba Blaze Band them, you know what I mean? Yeah, and that song they bad. Go on that little thing, you know what I mean? But you a gun song we not to get no radio play and no whatsoever.
Okay.
I don't know.
So you have ever performed at any major stage show event before?
No, we never get no big stage show for go show our craft and talent still, you know, but we do few show here and there to kind of stop. I don't know. People them love we and you know what I mean? We just there go on easy and I go and make the thing the right way, get the craft together.
So what's the avenue out there for the fans them can look for and listen to?
I don't know, you know. We try to conscious music, we have music for the ladies them same way, but I just get the wide variety of music out there where people can listen. You know what I mean? We're up on the Facebook same way, with the YouTube same way, Brandon Darksyde same way, you can go check me out. You know what I mean? Instagram a Darksyde same way, Brandon Darksyde, TikTok same way, you know what I mean? So we always push the music, always focus, I try to get it out there to the people same way. You know what I mean? I just that are the aim, to get the ears of man.
So lately we noticed a lot of Jamaican artists been singing a lot of songs pertaining to scamming song and stuff like that. What is your take on that?
Well, no wrong from them food, you know. Them a look and whatsoever, because you can't fight a man food or you have a fight with them and need it. But end of the day, music a message. You have to choose a message correctly and why, because you them a listen. You know what I mean? So me try to do a positive side of music. We try to come clean. You know what I mean? I don't know. Dancehall is a vibe. You don't know you have to talk about gun, rum and certain things. You know what I mean? But I don't know a music. Everybody like this a music, that the music. So from here the music is a mission. And it's not a competition. You know what I mean? So you have to just know, say, people are listening. You know, a Brandon Darksyde and we ever teach the youth them the right thing. You know what I mean? We ever tell them, say, youth, do the right thing, no bother with the fuss and the fighting. You know what I mean? But man, step on your toe, you just brush off that and say, watch on the road boy, everything Chris. Then I have to go Shabba, you know what I mean? Yeah, so man, you them know, say watch on the man, crime and violence and I really hit that, you know. You know what I mean? Life they for live, whole heap of exposure out there, you know what I mean? Whole heap of great things out there, you know what I mean? So as an artist, how me view life, life is simple. Life is what they make it. So we don't have to go rob, we don't have to go steal, we don't have to go, you know what I mean? So I just love. I love where I spread. So in any way, any form you can show your brother or your sister love. Do it and do it repeatedly. Because that's the way, righteousness.
Your head that you will murder somebody. I even talking to the youth, them and this one is necessary. Tell love the youth when know the truth and don't hurt nobody. No make no problem with him and them down in the lobby, but your head that you will murder somebody. Yeah, me look back in your life and find some new lyrics. Give them in a science, mathematics and physics. This a generation have too much critics. So truths and rights with life for no feeling bit. Them setting the silence and me I go save it. Every youth is a star, the sky it a the limit. No show me not the dark, the light turn off it limit. Me a talk from the heart so clearly and vivid. Talking to the youth, them and this one is necessary.
Even though Culture Night Club, Wednesday, November 26th, Chuck Fender, the Living Fire will be in Providence, Rhode Island at the Culture Night Club. So make it a date and don't be late. Day before Thanksgiving, we are come burn up Providence, Rhode Island. Get it locked. You hear me now? This is a warning. Make me gas them online. Them. Oh baby, are you coming over tonight? I'm feeling so lonely. Providence, Rhode Island, get ready. Hear that? Chuck Fender in your area. I'm out.
You think I'm Mick Jagger? Oh, you're ramp with. I'm my girl, you're mad me.
At the day, much serious.
Bad girl, deep queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44. Music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it. DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
The move we make is a what? Move we make. DJ Slick 44 Music News.